Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove tokens in Metamask. Let's begin. So, in Metamask, this is your wallet pretty much where you secure all your tokens, all your cryptocurrencies, but there are scenarios when you just need to remove some of the tokens because you don't need them anymore, or you want to organize your tokens, or you're sold everything, or there are tokens that they just don't make sense to you. So in my case, what I'm gonna show you is I will show you now how to remove them. So say for instance this one, it's zero. I no longer have Plants versus Undead, if I'm not mistaken. So how to actually remove your token is, click on that. Upper right of your screen, there's like three dots in there. Just tap on that. You click on token details. You'd be able to see the details of this token. And then there's like red font in there that says hide token. You can tap on that. And then just wanting to confirm, just hit on confirm button, and then plants versus undead is no longer showing on your screen. There's also another shortcut. Just hold, just tap and then hold, or no, I'm not gonna use. I'll probably use this one. So just tap and hold, then hide, and then that's it. One more. See, it's easy. So I hope you learned something today. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Goodbye.